What a Defender 110 hardtop this is. Listen to the spec, listen to the price, it's going to sell very quick. 2026, delivery miles, D250, 110 hardtop in Woolstone green with cold climate pack, detachable tow bar, upgrade 22-inch wheels, pod lights, wide arches, steps, rear spoiler. It's a 26 model, so you've got the larger screen inside, and you've got all the new features. And it's also got the jump seat, so it's a 3-seater in the front as well. Beautiful styling in gloss black. So you've got the Woolstone green, which is this wonderful new green. Then you've got the black exterior packs. You've got the badging, the inserts, the undersections, little tweaks to the lights there with it being the new model. Then you've got the wide arches, 22-inch wheels, mud flaps, side steps. I mentioned the pod light there at the top. New design to the bonnet and the vents. Remember, this is a commercial, so it's VAT qualifying, £69,990 plus VAT. It's a 110, so you've got the side access from the sides and all this load space, and you've got obviously extra storage both sides there as well. Wide arches into the rear. Then you've got the new design 2026 model lights, which are lovely and slick. Gloss black spare wheel cover, rear spoiler, gloss black into the rear bumper, and then look at this. Huge load space all the way through. Detachable tow bar from Land Rover. Great car if you want a 110 hardtop. Then you've got your other access from the other side, and then when we move into the front cabin, again, the car's got everything you would want really. So we've got full leather, we've got heated seats, it's got the cold climate pack, so we've got a heated steering wheel, heated washer jets, adaptive cruise control. You've got the middle seat, which is a jump seat, so if you're not using that, you don't need to use the third seat. That drops down into a central armrest with cup holders and USB charging points there as well. With it being the new model, you've got the larger 13.1-inch screen. You've got your heated seats, as I've mentioned. You've got all your front and rear heated screens. Then you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay. The camera system is superb, 3D, and you've also got tow and assist with it having the detachable tow bar. Other features, your Alexa, your driver assistance. These cars are selling very quickly because they drive well, they look well. We've got them physically here, they're ready to go. The new model in the colours people want and with the right specification. £69,990 plus VAT, price to sell. Gonna go live on all our platforms. And that one with the extras like that just looks fantastic. Thank you for watching.